comes to tools in your box, you've got several different families of tools. You've got tools that turn things like sockets, wrenches, and pliers. You've got tools that you hit things with like hammers, chisels, and punches. Then you've got tools that you cut things with, like what we're going to talk about today, shears. Shears are a tool that cuts something by the two blades passing each other, just like this pair of regular old scissors. Now there are a bunch of different types of shears, and we have a large assortment of those here on the table. Now depending on what they cut and how they cut it, well, that determines how they're made. These may look like regular scissors, but they're actually not. These are fabric shears, and if you're doing upholstery work and you want to cut fabric for seats or vinyl, that's what these are good for. They're a lot more heavy duty than regular scissors and a lot more expensive. And this little pair right here, these are just little nippers to cut thread. Speaking of upholstery, this pair here is actually made for cutting leather. These two here, these are made for cutting cables, specifically battery cables. All of that stuff's great, but what we like cutting here in this shop is sheet metal. And if you want to cut some sheet metal in a hurry, you want to use the power shear. You just put it here in between the jaws, pull the trigger, and it's going to cut a lot of metal real quick. Sometimes this is known as a nibbler. Of course, you need some 110 power to get it done, and it'll do it in a hurry. Now, if you want to do something a little more intricate than that, you need your tin snips. Most of you at home have either used or at least seen a pair of the yellowed handled tin snips. These are actually made to cut straight cuts. If you try to make a turn with them, well, it's really hard to do unless you're going to make a really long sweeping turn. So, if you need to make a turn, you probably want to use a pair of these. The green handle actually cut to the right, and the red handles cut to the left. Now, if you look at these two that cut to the right, you'll see the difference here is that the pair on my right is actually angled more, so you can really keep your hands away from the metal that you're cutting. Well, quite possibly the coolest tool we have in this entire shop, and my favorite of all the shears, is this thing right here. Now, sometimes we refer to this as simply the shear, but this is actually called a stomp shear. And the blade, you can't see it because it's tucked in behind here, and that's to keep you from getting your fingers or your hands in there, because this thing will actually cut your fingers off. It's called a stomp shear because that's the way you operate it. You just stomp on this pedal right here. So make sure you put your piece of sheet metal in here. It's even got a straight edge here. Make sure you get it straight, put it where it needs to be, and then simply stomp it off.